Hello students. So let me see the uh, answers for week 2 oil hydraulics and pneumatics Nptel course. So in question number 1, which belongs to Pascal's law problem, that formula is a formula we already know, P1 is equal to P2, or else pressure P1 which is equal to F1 by A1, force by area. So F1 by A1 is equal to F2 by A2. In this particular problem, F2 is the mass of the vehicle. We have to convert the value to Newton, 2000 into 10. So here G value 9.81 we have to taken as a 10, that they already mentioned here. So we have to apply to 2000 into 10. So the F2 value is 20,000 Newton and F1 value is 100 Newton. So area they are given. So area of smaller piston given. So A1 value is given 0.02 meter square, and then while applying these conditions we will get the answer as A2 value you will get F1 by E1 is equal to F2 by A2. A2 is only unknown parameter, we can find out that. So I got the value 0.4 meter square. So after applying the value, A2 is equal to 0.4 meter square. We have to apply A2 formula. A2 is equal to pi by 4 into D2 square. So we can find out the D2 value. So that value will get 0.71383 meter. So convert the value to mm, 713.83 mm. So the answer is third option. And next question is belongs to conductive equation. So this particular problem you already studied in fluid mechanics in your previous semester. The formula you already remember, a1 v1 is equal to a2 v2. So from this particular given problem we have to calculate, we can easily calculate a1 and a2. We already know the value of d1. A1 is equal to pi by 4 into d1 square and a2 is equal to pi by 4 into d2 square. We apply the values and calculate the v2. The formula a1 v1 is equal to a2 v2. Okay, so only parameter we don't know, that is the unknown parameter is v2. So we can find out the answer. So after the calculation I got the answer 1.77. You can check out that also. So question number 3, pressure intensifier. So pressure intensifier belongs to, it is a we will see that in this in our upcoming classes. So before that you just see the figure of pressure intensifier. This is a pressure intensifier. It consists of two different cylinders which is called as stepped piston. Okay, so for the first option is correct. And second option, so in the case of pressure intensifier, the forces at one point is equal to another point. So force only equal, not pressure. Pressure is not equal in the case of pressure intensifier. Pressure intensifier means it increase the pressure or decrease the pressure. So second option is not correct. So third option we can increase and decrease. So fourth option, forces are equal. And fifth option, we can apply the fluid on either side of the stepped piston. It may be open or closed. So this option is also correct. So other than second option, all the other options are correct. So question number 4, we ask the what are the organizations belonging to International Statistics Committee. So all the answers are correct. You can check out this particular things in the NPTEL videos also. So all the committees, European Committee, Taiwan, Japan National Power Association, and China Hydraulics and Pneumatic Seals, Production and General Engineering, Fluid Power Society, all the answers are correct. So next question, fifth question. So in this particular question, one data is missing. Here the diameter value for this section 2 is not given, but we assume this particular value is half of this value. For example, here this question diameter is 100 mm, here we can take 50 mm. So initially we have to find out the force value. So force pressure is equal to force by area. So force equal to pressure into area, P1 into area we have to calculate by using the diameter 100 mm. And once we calculate the force value, we apply the force value here for F1 is equal to F2 is equal to F1. So F2 is equal to P2 into A2. So A2 is equal to, we apply the diameter value 50 mm and find the A2 value, and after applying the value we will get an answer of 1000 Pascal.